Hey, what's up guys? Martin Unix here, and I want to start by thanking you guys for creating family on my channel by subscribing. And if you are new here guys, I want to urge you to consider subscribing, like my work, watch and comment positively guys. So guys, on this channel I have 3 packages whereby you can join membership as a way of supporting the channel. And by supporting the channel guys, you just join one of the packages as a way of giving thanks guys. I understand that we have learned together, and if you feel that I've been impacting you in a positive way guys, I've imparted knowledge on you guys, you can choose to support the channel by joining one of the packages. You can choose a package guys which well suits you. So guys, stay locked on the channel because many tutorials will be coming on your way, and kindly keep sharing my work to your friends. So thank you guys.